Hey Wanderlusters, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Taiwan, exploring a place so breathtakingly beautiful, it feels like stepping into a watercolor painting. Forget everything you thought you knew about tranquil escapes because we're heading to the one and only Sun Moon Lake. If you're planning a trip to Taiwan, or just dreaming of emerald waters and misty mountains, you need to know about this incredible destination. Sun Moon Lake, Rìyuè Tán, isn't just a lake. It's Taiwan's largest natural lake, a crown jewel nestled within the stunning mountains of Nantou County. And trust me, the hype is real. This place is pure magic. Why the name Sun Moon Lake? The name itself whispers of its unique beauty. The lake is divided by the tiny, sacred Lalu Island. The eastern part is roundish, resembling the sun, while the western side is longer and crescent-shaped, like the moon. This natural poetry sets the stage for an unforgettable experience, making it one of the top Nantou attractions and a cornerstone of Taiwan nature beauty, an oasis of serenity and stunning views. The first thing that hits you at Sun Moon Lake is the overwhelming sense of peace. Whether you arrive on a crisp, misty morning when fog hangs low over the water, or during the golden hour when sunlight dances on the surface, the scenery is simply jaw-dropping. The vibrant turquoise and emerald waters are hugged by layers of lush green mountains, creating a panorama that changes constantly with the light and weather. It is a photographer's paradise and a haven for anyone seeking tranquility away from the city bustle. This is Taiwan Lake scenery at its absolute finest. Getting active, cycling Sun Moon Lake, a world-class ride. Now, let's talk about one of the absolute must-do things to do Sun Moon Lake, hitting the bike path. Recognized globally as one of the most beautiful cycling routes in the world, cycling Sun Moon Lake offers an unparalleled way to experience its diverse beauty up close. The approximately 30-kilometer loop takes you through varied landscapes, alongside the sparkling water, through shaded tunnels of trees, past temples, and into local villages. You don't need to be a pro cyclist. The path is mostly flat and well-maintained, with plenty of spots to stop, rest, and soak in those incredible views. You can rent bikes easily near the main piers like Rìyuè or Itatao. Feeling the breeze, hearing the gentle lapping of water, and having that stunning vista unfold around every corner, it's pure bliss. Explore by water, the essential boat tour. You can't truly grasp the scale and beauty of Sun Moon Lake without getting out on the water. Taking a boat tour is another essential experience. Ferries shuttle between the main piers, Rìyuè, Itatao, and Zhuangguang. This isn't just transport, it's a scenic journey. From the boat, you'll get fantastic perspectives of the surrounding mountains. See the iconic Wenwu Temple perched high above, spot the Chien Pagoda reaching for the sky, and get a closer look at the sacred Lalu Island. It's also the most practical way to hop between key points of interest around the lake. Cultural peaks, Wenwu Temple and Chien Pagoda. Perched majestically on the northern shore, Wenwu Temple is a stunning example of Chinese palatial architecture. Dedicated to Confucius, Guangdong, god of war, and Yue Fei, a revered general, this sprawling complex is visually spectacular. Climb its grand staircases, often called the Stairway to Heaven, admire the intricate carvings and vibrant colors, and most importantly, step out onto its viewing platforms. The panoramic vistas of Sun Moon Lake from Wenwu Temple are simply breathtaking, a definite highlight and one of the key things to do Sun Moon Lake. For arguably the best panoramic view, you need to head to the Chien Pagoda, Chien Ta. Built by the late President Chiang Kai-shek in memory of his mother, this elegant 9-story pagoda stands tall on Shabalin Mountain. Yes, there's a bit of a climb up the hill and then up the pagoda itself, but the reward is immense. Reaching the top balcony unveils a stunning 360-degree view encompassing the entire Sun Moon Lake, Lalu Island, and the layers upon layers of distant mountains. It's a moment of perspective and profound beauty you won't forget. This is Taiwan, nature beauty combined with history and incredible views. Connecting with culture, the Thao tribe. Sun Moon Lake is also the ancestral home of the Thao indigenous people, one of Taiwan's smallest recognized tribes. The main hub for experiencing their culture is Ita Thao Village. Here, you can stroll through the lively marketplace, sample delicious local snacks, like millet mochi or Assam black tea-infused treats. Nantou is famous for tea. Browse unique handicrafts, and sometimes even catch traditional song and dance performances. Learning about the Thao adds another rich layer to your visit, connecting you to the human history of this beautiful Taiwan lake. More than just a lake, other must-dos beyond the main highlights. There's still more. Consider taking the Sun Moon Lake ropeway, cable car, for thrilling aerial views connecting Ita Thao to the Formosan Aboriginal Culture Village theme park. Explore some of the lakeside hiking trails for different vantage points. Indulge in the local cuisine. President fish is a famous delicacy. And don't forget, Nantou County is prime tea country. Visiting a nearby tea plantation is a fantastic side trip. There are so many things to do Sun Moon Lake and its surroundings. Why Sun Moon Lake should be on your Taiwan bucket list. So, is Sun Moon Lake worth the trip? Absolutely. 1000% yes. It's a destination that truly delivers on its promise of beauty and tranquility. It offers the perfect blend of stunning natural scenery, Taiwan nature beauty at its peak, invigorating outdoor activities like cycling Sun Moon Lake, rich cultural experiences at Wenwu Temple and learning about the Thao tribe, and unforgettable panoramic views from places like Chian Pagoda. Whether you have just a day or can linger for a few, Sun Moon Lake captivates the soul. It's one of those Nantou attractions that defines a trip to Taiwan. It's more than just a Taiwan lake. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Have you been to Sun Moon Lake? What was your favorite part? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this virtual trip and want more Taiwan travel inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.